What advice would you give to someone who has just become one of the parties in a divorce proceeding? There are a number of things that you could benefit from by way of advice, but I'll give you a few. Number one, know this. Divorce law and the divorce process are almost surely not what you think they are. They are scarier, more complex, more confusing, more time-consuming, more expensive, more disappointing, more unreasonable, and more discouraging than you can imagine. Ignore my words at your peril. Number two, don't sign anything your spouse asks you to sign without reviewing it with a good divorce lawyer first. Don't let what your spouse tells you about how it's going to be upset or worry you. Don't believe him or her when he or she says, "My lawyer says you must blank," or "I have the best lawyer in town." Most of what your spouse tells you will be lies meant to intimidate, coerce, and dupe you. Number three, don't take friends and family members' advice as a substitute for the advice of a good attorney. Your friends and family members usually mean well, but have no idea what they're talking about 9 times out of 10. Number four, keep an eye on your valuable things and information. They tend to disappear once a divorce is filed. That means secure your financial accounts against your spouse draining them. Then, secure the following documents that will provide crucial evidence. This is not an exhaustive list, but it's a good place to start. A, tax records. B, loan and debt records, loan and credit card applications. C, appraisals and valuations. D, bank and financial institution records. E, insurance records. F, birth certificates. G, social security cards. H, passports for you and the kids. I, pay stubs. J, account statements. K, certificates of title. L, estate planning records. M, business records of all kinds. N, medical and healthcare records for your family and every member thereof. Photographs. O, P, your prenuptial or postnuptial agreement if you have one. Also, inventory everything. Take videos and photographs of it all that you own, both jointly and separately. Make sure your password-protected accounts, such as email, cell phone, social media, credit cards, bank and financial institution accounts, bills to pay, credit cards, etc., cannot be accessed by your spouse without your advance knowledge and consent. Route your personal email to a new P.O. box that you establish, to which you only have access. Number 5, don't act out of fear or anger or revenge. If you do, you may do your case irreparable damage. Keep a cool head. Get a good divorce attorney's advice. Number 6, talk to a good divorce lawyer. Not just any lawyer and not just any divorce lawyer, but a good divorce lawyer now. Right now. Not next week. Now. Right now. Pick up the phone and make an appointment with a good divorce lawyer right now. Timing can and usually is crucial in divorce. The longer you put off speaking with a good divorce lawyer, the more you lose, possibly forever, the benefits of knowing what you can and should be doing right now to protect and preserve your interests and those of your children, if you have minor children. Notice that I did not say hire a good divorce lawyer right now. If you can hire a good divorce lawyer right now, do it. But I didn't say hire one, I said consult with one. The sooner you get competent legal representation, the better, no exceptions. But if you do not have, or falsely believe you do not have, the money to afford a good divorce lawyer, scrape together at least enough money to meet and confer with a good divorce lawyer for an hour. It will be one of the best investments you ever make. A good divorce lawyer is not a bulldog. A good divorce lawyer is not a shark. A good divorce lawyer is not someone who is effective at cheating. As the old Bosnian proverb goes, he who will lie for you will lie to you. A good divorce lawyer is someone with experience, skill, and decency who can give you good advice to guide you through the process and orient you to what you're about to embark on. There are good attorneys who exist, but they are very hard to find. They are worth finding nonetheless. If you want your divorce to be less expensive, less time-consuming, and less miserable, find this kind of divorce lawyer. Number 7, unless you are young, penniless, childless, and convinced your spouse won't or can't hang you out to dry in divorce in any way, shape, or fashion, don't go the DIY route. Hire a good divorce lawyer if at all possible. If you, A, earn money or receive money from other sources, B, are self-employed, C, own property of any kind, D, have money in the bank, investment accounts are tied up in a pension or retirement accounts, E, have debts and obligations, F, are financially dependent upon your spouse, G, have a spouse who is financially dependent on you, in full or in part, H, have minor children, I, are married to a malicious or crazy malicious person, and or J, have been accused of abusing your spouse or children, then odds are high that trying to divorce without a good lawyer's representation throughout the divorce case is going to be absolutely miserable.